Do you want to learn how to batch produce multiple pieces of content for your TikTok in one sitting? I'm going to show you guys my exact batching process, and I'm actually going to batch some content here with you now. It's not always possible for me to prioritize my TikTok time, so I had to learn how to batch produce content, but it can't be your only strategy because the only content that can be batched is evergreen content. And if you're confused about what the difference is between trending content and evergreen, check out this video right here. My process for creating TikToks is a little bit different than most people's. Most people go about it by finding a song and then trying to think of some piece of original content to create to it. I instead break it up by first focusing on research. I research all of the different potential TikToks or songs that I could create, and then I save all of those to my favorites. Then when it's time for recording, I've already got 5, 10, 20 different songs and or ideas for TikTok ready to just go. And so when I get in record mode, I'm able to easily batch. Now while I'm searching through my For You page, I'm looking for TikTok ideas and or songs where I can think of either an original twist on it or something that's easily implemented. Perfect. So I'm going to click on the sound down at the very bottom of the screen right above add comment. And by doing so, we're going to pull up the ability to add it to my favorites. Now I'm going to click on that little bookmark that houses all of my favorites. And I'm going to select the red check mark and then selecting the red check mark to film with that song. Now the important part with batching videos is it's always easier to add text, caption, and hashtags later. So I just focus on filming the actual video. So now I'm gonna utilize my environment that I'm in currently to see what opportunities there are to create awesome TikToks. And I see this hat. I have an audience that's very parent-based. So they're gonna understand if I do something where it's like that first time the baby sleeps through the night and then it's like, psych, the baby isn't sleeping through the night. So I'm gonna record this first and foremost with the parent's perspective, and then I'm gonna switch to the baby being like, I got you, just kidding. Thanks. Now it's the baby, and I'm gonna add a face zoom effect.
What? I got you. You see, because you were all excited, and then boom.
So here's a super secret ninja hack. If you ever hear an audio where there's too much to remember, you can actually change the playback speed so that it plays faster than you recorded it, and that way you're able to keep up with the audio. Most of the time I record 5 to 10 in one sitting. If something seems too complicated, I skip it entirely or reserve it for a day where I have extra time to kind of goof around. While you're batching, if you want to add extra text or effects into your videos, or maybe you're curious which hashtags to use, don't worry, I put it all into one awesome action-packed video. I'll see you over there.